I am at Manali and we just packed some equipment for the Pin Parvati pass, and I still can't believe I'm going to be doing that. So, hello people, I am with Shankaran. And Baba. So we're heading to Pin Parvati pass trek. We're currently in Old Manali, and we're heading to Buntar and then Buntar to Barshaini. We're on our way to Barshaini, and looks like there is a landslide. This is the first time I've seen a landslide happen on this route. So it's already getting dark and we had to reach Kheerganga today, but maybe we'll just stop at Kalga. I'm trekking through Kheerganga today. I've just left Kalga village, and it was raining last night, so the roads or the trails are sort of difficult. हाँ जी, हाँ पतला रास्ता है ना एकदम. After trekking for about how many hours, Shankar? We started at 10:30.
Trekking for like what, 4 hours right now?
Yeah. So after 4 hours, we reached this place, which is like a midpoint when going to Kheerganga trek, and it's called the waterfall place. So I'm almost near Kheerganga, and I saw a board which said shortcut to Kheerganga, and very adventurously I took that path, and here I am stuck higher up in the jungle. I also almost prevented myself from not falling off a small waterfall, and it's been raining here, so it's cold, and I'm almost, my sweater or jacket is almost wet. So when you're doing Kheerganga, do not take any shortcuts. After 5.5 hours, I've made it to Kheerganga. There are no hotels here because it's at 13,000 feet. altitude. So there are campsites here, as you see, and food here is sometimes more than double the cost of what you would find back. So it's been 5 hours. It took me another 40 minutes extra to reach Kheerganga, and we made it here. It's still drizzling, so tonight we're going to camp at Kheerganga. We're at Kheerganga and we're pitching the tents for tonight. Hello, good morning. We're at Kheerganga and we camped last night here. And today, where are we going? Pankaj?
We will be moving to Tunda Bhuj today.
Haha. So it's 10 a.m. now, and we've packed our tents. We're ready to go to the next stop, which is Tunda Bhuj. I'm going to the Shiva temple, which is just near the hot water shower, and at Kheerganga there's a separate hot water shower for ladies and men. I wish I could take a picture, but you see a lot of naked people, or like almost naked people, taking a bath there. So this is the Shiva temple, and that is the hot shower spring. Started trekking from Kheerganga, and hopefully the weather stays clear today and we reach this place called